Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the fuel cell. This cell is very demanding cell, and these are the voltaic cell in which the reactant are continuously supplied to the electrodes, and these are designed to convert the energy from the combustion of fuels such as H2CO, CH4, etc. are directly into electrical energy. In simple language, you can say after the combustion of hydrogen, carbon monoxide and CH4, it will give the electrical energy. Okay, these type of cell which provide electrical energy by the use of H2COCH4, then we can say this will be fuel cell. Now we see in fuel cell in anodic and cathodic reaction. In anodic reaction, H2 plus 2H minus will convert into H2O. Now here 2 is multiplied. Second cathodic reaction, O2 plus 2H2O plus 4E minus, then it will convert into 4OH minus. Now overall reaction will be 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. Okay, this is the mechanism of the fuel cell and how fuel cell work. Now we see what are the advantages of fuel cell over ordinary batteries. Okay, if we are talking about fuel cell, then it has very high efficiency. What is the reason behind it? Because this cell provide electrical energy and it will directly convert the energy, so they are more efficient than the conventional method. Second, continuous source of energy. That means there is no electrode material to be replaced as in ordinary battery. नॉर्मल बैटरी हम लोग जो यूज करते हैं उसमें बार बार इलेक्ट्रोड को रिप्लेस, इसमें ऐसी कोई बात नहीं होती है. The fuel can be fed continuously to produce power. For this reason, H2O2 fuel cell have been used in spacecraft also. This cell is used in spacecraft. Okay. Second, third, pollution free working. There are no objectional by producing objectional product did not cause pollution problems. Because if you see primary batteries or secondary battery, in primary battery we use dry cell, secondary battery a storage cell or nickel cadmium cell, but you see after the use they produce the large amount of waste material, and that will be very harmful for environment. But in case of fuel cell, they will not produce any objectional byproduct. Okay, this is the main advantage of fuel cell. Okay, fuel cell are efficient and free from pollution. Attempts are being made to get better commercially practically fuel cell. प्रयास किया जा रहा है कि आज के डेट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर फ्यूल सेल का यूज़ किया जाए, चूँकि हम लोग इसमें वैसी चीज़ों को यूज करते हैं जो पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट नहीं करता है. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट corrosion. Okay, what is corrosion and what are the factors which affect corrosion and mechanism of rusting of iron also. Okay, thank you.